In a bright 3D valley, surrounded by giant mountains, there lived 3 mountain goats: Pico, the smallest; Raff, the middle one; and Gorlo, the strongest and oldest. All 3 dreamed of crossing the wooden bridge that led to the Golden Meadow, a land full of juicy grass and sparkling water. But there was a problem. Under the bridge lived a huge, grumpy troll named Grumble. He had purple skin, glowing yellow eyes, and a voice that echoed like thunder. He never let anyone cross the bridge. One sunny morning, the goats ran out of food. Pico said, "If we don't cross today, we'll go hungry." Raff frowned, "But Grumble will never let us pass." Gorlo stepped forward. "Then we must be brave and clever. Not strong, clever." The 3 goats agreed and began their journey. Pico reached the bridge first. His tiny hooves tapped lightly on the planks. Thump! Grumble jumped out. "Who dares step on my bridge?" he growled. "It's only me, the smallest goat," he squeaked. "I'm too tiny. If you eat me, you'll still be hungry. Wait for my bigger brother." Grumble scratched his chin. Bigger meal?" He let Pico go. Raff stepped onto the bridge confidently. Thump, thump. Grumble appeared again. "Stop! I will eat you now," he roared. Raff calmly replied, "Why eat me? My oldest brother is much bigger and stronger. He will make a better meal." Grumble's eyes widened. Bigger, stronger, better? He let Raff cross too. Gorlo stepped on the bridge. He was tall, muscular, with long, twisted horns. Boom! Grumble leaped out, shaking the bridge. "Now I will eat you!" he shouted. But Gorlo lowered his horns, stood firm, and said, "You picked the wrong goat." He charged forward. Crash! Grumble flew off the bridge and splashed into the river below, screaming. The river carried him far away from the valley. The 3 goats finally crossed into the Golden Meadow. They ate fresh, green grass, drank clear water, and danced in joy. Pico said, "We did it!" Raff added, "Because we used our minds, not just strength." Gorlo smiled. Bravery comes from the heart. End of the story. Moral: courage and wisdom can overcome the biggest dangers.